I became a librarian because I've always had a love of books. So growing up I read a lot of books, and I thought that was just a good way to sort of continue and have that in my work as well. Bridgwater Library is unique in that it offers a lot of services to a really varied group of people. There's small rural communities, there's Bridgwater, the town itself. So yeah, it offers a lot of services to a lot of different people. The use of Bridgwater Library's changed immensely over the years. Gone from offering only books, really, how people would usually think of a traditional library. It has music, it has day groups, it has services for older people, it offers a warm space in winter for people that might be homeless. Libraries help build communities by being a focal point for a lot of different organisations, a lot of different services. They're probably places where people wouldn't otherwise meet. You can access the library service in a lot of different ways now. Times have changed a lot. You can walk in the front door, you can go online, there's access for people that have hearing or sight. You can telephone. We try and have services that are available to everyone. The best thing the public can do to support the library is use the services. It's a public facility, it's there for people to use, and that would be the best thing for its continued existence to be safeguarded, to be guaranteed, is if the public use it.